Hi there, I am Dion Opperman. Welcome to where I unpack what it means to be a writer in the age of AI. The landscape of writer-AI collaboration is on the cusp of profound transformation. Currently, we have had to develop comprehensive, meticulously structured prompts that guide the AI. These prompts are complex orchestrations of multiple elements, role assignments that have to define how the AI should behave, chain of thought structures that guide its reasoning process, in-prompt fine-tuning that incorporates principles of writing to ensure that the AI thinks about plot and character the same way that the writer thinks about those elements, contextual information about the already developed content of the story being written to keep the AI up to date, and carefully chosen examples to illustrate desired outputs. This complexity, while necessary now, represents a transitional phase in the evolution of writer-AI collaboration. Recent developments in AI reasoning capabilities suggest we're moving toward a future where such elaborate prompting may become unnecessary. AI platforms are developing increasingly sophisticated self-guided reasoning abilities through several key advancements. First, there's the emergence of self-guided chain of thought processing. Rather than requiring writers to explicitly map out each step of the reasoning process, AI systems are becoming capable of determining appropriate analytical pathways independently. They can break down complex tasks into logical steps and follow those steps to reach well-reasoned conclusions. Second, we're seeing significant progress in self-reflection and self-correction capabilities. Modern AI systems can analyze their own outputs before responding, identify potential errors or weaknesses, and adjust their responses accordingly. This means the burden of quality control is shifting from the human user to the AI itself. Third, and perhaps most crucially, enhanced memory capabilities that will enable persistent context and, very important, retain your fine-tuning instructions across multiple interactions. This advancement eliminates the need to repeatedly provide the same contextual information regarding the story so far and of your writing methodology preferences. Enhanced memory will also eliminate the need to build customized Claude projects or custom GPTs just to maintain contextual consistency and writing method fine-tuning. You tell it once and it remembers. This is how this writer thinks about and uses the tools of the writing trade, and this is the content of the story that has been generated up to this point. Now, to understand the practical implications of these developments, let's look at a concrete example from my own writing process. Currently, when I collaborate with AI to develop a character profile, I use a series of 6 distinct prompts, each focusing on a different aspect of character development. The first prompt, the character's contribution to the story. The second prompt, I develop the character's world within the larger story world. Third one, the character's motivation. Fourth, the character's values, ethics, and traits. Fifth, relevant backstory to motivate the character's attributes and choices. And sixth, the character's growth and change arc. Each of these prompts is a complex document containing detailed instructions, methodological preferences, and examples. Managing these prompts requires significant time and attention at the moment, and any modifications to my approach necessitates updates to multiple documents. It's a schlep. However, the future I envision, and one that seems increasingly likely within the next year, is radically simpler. Instead of developing prompts like this, a writer will be able to simply state, I want to develop a character profile for a new character. The AI, drawing on stored knowledge of methodology preferences, all the story content created up to that point, and enhanced reasoning capabilities, will guide the process autonomously. This simplified interaction doesn't mean the AI is taking over the creative process. Rather, it's becoming a more capable partner in implementing the writer's vision and methodology. The AI will know when and what questions to ask, how to structure the development process of the narrative element being developed, all while maintaining contextual consistency with previously established story content. This evolution in AI capabilities doesn't diminish the importance of writerly expertise. In fact, it makes such expertise even more critical. Just as you cannot effectively communicate in Greek without understanding the language, you cannot effectively collaborate with AI on character development without a deep understanding of what makes characters compelling and how they function within a story. The AI's enhanced reasoning capabilities don't replace the need for writers to understand their craft. They amplify the importance of that understanding. When you tell an AI you want to develop a character profile, you need to know exactly what you're asking for. You need to understand what functions a character serves in a story, how character development intersects with plot development, the relationship between character background and behavior, how internal conflicts drive external actions, and the mechanics of character growth and change, and so on and so on. This knowledge isn't just theoretical, it's practical and essential. It is knowledge that enables writers to evaluate and guide the AI's suggestions, to recognize when a character profile is working or needs adjustment, and to maintain creative control over the story's development. Looking ahead, we are moving toward a future, I think, where the technical barriers to writer-AI collaboration will be significantly reduced. The complex prompting structures I currently rely on will give way to more natural conversational interactions. But this evolution doesn't signal the so-called democratization of writing skill itself. Instead, it represents a shift in how we apply our expertise, to move from managing the AI through elaborate prompts to engaging with it as a knowledgeable, creative co-intelligence, as Ethan Mollick describes it in his book, Co-Intelligence, Living and Working with AI. The key to successful writer-AI collaboration in this emerging future will be the maintaining of the balance between technological capability of the AI and human expertise. The AI's enhanced reasoning abilities will make it a more capable co-intelligence, but a co-intelligence nevertheless, not a replacement. An intelligence that augments the writer's own intelligence while serving the writer's vision, craft, and creative judgment. This evolution mirrors a broader pattern in technological advancement. As tools become more sophisticated, they don't eliminate the need for expertise. They transform how that expertise is applied. Just as digital editing tools didn't eliminate the need for editorial judgment, enhanced AI capabilities won't eliminate the need for a mastery of the principles and skills of writing. They will simply allow us to focus more on the creative aspects of our craft and less on the technical management of the AI. Thanks to enhanced memory and reasoning, you will only have to tell it once how you like to work and how you think about writing. But you still have to know what to tell it. Thank you for joining me on this journey.